pressure? Screw gun. My arms are so tired, they're shaking. Kick it out just a little. There we go. A little bit of pressure. I picked up this t-shirt when I went to the first annual Northern Idaho YouTube meet and greet. It happened about a month ago. It's a big, well, basically everybody on this t-shirt, these are the YouTube channels that we're all trying to get together and we're trying to make an event. We want to have the event once a year, but we want to start more of a community type atmosphere up here in the Northwest. Do me a favor, go check out these channels. Everybody's got some information on different things, something you can learn if you're into the homesteading or the prepping, anything like that. They're all really great people. Well, that was 2 days worth of a workout right there, or a workout for 2 days. 25 rafters for the backside of our house there. Got a couple brackets we used, the GA1, which is down on the bottoms. This holds the rafter down to the wall. And this is a super nice Simpson strong tie LRU210Z. This can be used on 2x10s or 2x12s. And it's simple, it's easy to install. It comes a little bit squished together at the top up here. I drew a line on the ridge beam, lined up this side, put 3 screws in it, and then I used a 2x4, stuck it in there for spacing, and put the screws in over here. Pilot drill your rafter when it's down on the floor. Basically line that up, and this will do any angle. This will do a shoot, I forget, about any angle. I think up to a 48 degree angle, because these are 45 degree angles. This will go up to a 48 degree angle. But what I did is I stuck this on my rafters at the angle, and I pre-drilled this hole so that my wife and I hung it up there. We got the bird's mouth on top of the wall, so it wasn't too hard to hold in place. I'd climb up the ladder and I'd very easily thread this screw in by hand and then run it down with the screwdriver, and it wouldn't go anywhere. Not quite done. I can't put sheathing up yet. I do have to put my outlookers out to my eave and my, what do you call it, the eave board, the one that's way out there on the end. So I'll get working on those, get those up, and then I'll put sheathing up on the whole thing, and then I'll work on the front rafters, the scissor rafter that goes over the dormer. So little bit by little bit, it's getting done, guys. Starting to look more and more like a house. I'm kind of happy. Until next time, go make something.